Hi, excuse me, I'd like to provide liquidity for a calculator and a pen. Yeah, no problem. Just make sure you select the correct parameters for the liquidity of pens to calculators. Do you have like cool buttons for that so I can do that? Yeah, of course. In fact, one calculator is currently worth 10 pens. Nice. Here's my 10 pens and a calculator. Can I earn some fees now? Oh yes, of course. You actually selected 1% swap fees. So every time someone swaps any of the tokens inside your pool, you're actually going to be earning 1% of their trades. Congratulations, sir. If you guys have never heard of Uniswap, the TLDR on it is it's a decentralized, permissionless exchange where anyone can list different assets on the exchange and create liquidity pools for them. If you guys would like to learn more about Uniswap and the UNI token, make sure you guys check out the next KuCoin DigiDive. If you guys have not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe so you guys can stay up to date. We'll see you guys on the video.